Hello, my friends, and welcome back to another video here at Suit Cafe, suitcafe.com. I am Phil Pravda, and I am here to show you a new unboxing of some beautiful fall sport jackets and some matching trousers that we're making for customers early in the morning here in New York. We got to get to the customer before he gets dressed. He wants to wear it today, and it's in, and we're going to go there, and we're going to give it to him. But first, I have to show it to you. So right here we go. So first item, here we go, beautiful sport jacket here. I'll show you this one right here. A nice, sort of like a French blue with a beautiful brown plaid window pane over it. We have this beautiful custom lining with the medallions that we put in here. This one came out really, really nice. And also classic charcoal gray pair of trousers. This gentleman works at one of the big banks here in New York. So he wants something that he could travel with for events and for meetings, and of course use it really all season. This is not a heavy fabric, not a flannel. It's a beautiful medium weight that you can really use anytime. Of course, real working buttonholes on the sleeves as well. Trousers are flat front, and I think it came out really nice. Let me do a little close-up here for you, so you could let's see if we can keep it in focus, hopefully, so you can get an idea of what this pattern looks like. There we go. So there we got the focus. You can see the small little stitching on the lapels and on the breast pocket. And on the inside, we have peninsula pockets. I'll show you what those look like. Peninsula pockets, you could see where the fabric goes around the inside pocket right there. So you have the larger pocket on top, a pocket for your pens, and then a lower pocket, which you can't see in this picture right here. And then there's one larger pocket on the opposite side. Side vents, of course, classic flat pockets. Most of my customers, business people, they want to look classic. They want to look tailored. They're not wearing tight and slim, although tight and slim fashion is over. Everything is the opposite right now. So the real fashionable stuff is larger, baggier, sloppier looking. But, you know, you want to look tailored, this is the kind of look you want to go for. Classic, use it for years and years and years. And if you're spending, you know, money like this on a sport jacket and a pair of pants, you want to be able to use it for years and years. Let me show you the second one. Okay, here we have something that's a little more colorful. Not everything can be blue and gray, of course. This is what we call cranberry. It's been a popular color through the spring, through the beginning of the fall. Of course, the fall colors always dominate, you know, navies, grays, blacks, and of course in flannels like my suit. I'm wearing a flannel suit today. It's a little chilly out. But here you have a cranberry with more of a royal blue, but a little muted. It's not very, very bright. And the trouser inside is not a navy. It's like a shade lighter than navy. So it complements the window pane and the plaid very, very nicely. Again, similar fabric. This one is from a very well-known mill. I think it's Rada. And we picked out these cool kind of buttons here just to give a little more flair. You know, a jacket that you might want to throw on with a pair of jeans. You leave your sneakers on. You know, that kind of thing. Using a shoe with a sneaker bottom. So that's the kind of thing you could easily do with that. Let me give you a little close-up of this one, so you can get an idea here. All right, let me hold it steady. And there you go. Actually, the color is not as bright as it is on the screen. It's actually darker. It's really more of a cranberry color. So it comes out a little orangey on the screen, I guess because of the LED lights. But it's really a cranberry, a little more towards the purpley cranberry. And the blue is pretty correct, I think. And this is a good one if you go, you know, and sometimes people go on trips and they go down south in the winter. They want to go to some warmer weather. You could bring this one, easily wear it. The lining, we have this beautiful blue little pin dot lining, sort of like a tone-on-tone. And something that we're doing now, every pocket has the lining inside. So if you don't have a pocket square and you want to wear one, you could pull out this little piece of lining and it will stay just right in place and double as a pocket square. If you want to. That's just a little cool feature that the jackets have. So, again, flat front trousers, nicely tailored, not slim and trim and short, this jacket, just a nice, real Italian tailored type of garment. And beautiful, I mean, really beautiful, soft, 100% wool fabric, always 100% wool. The trousers might have a little bit of stretch, maybe 2% elastin, 3% elastin, but the rest is wool. And there you have it. I got to get going because I got to get this to the customers. Got to go to his house because he's waiting for me to get dressed. So he's going to wear one of these today to work. So just a quick unboxing. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you all again. Oh, and just want to show you one more thing, which I'm going to talk about in another video, is new fabrics from a new mill. Not only Italian fabrics this season, but British. These fabrics from England. Beautiful plaids and some herringbones. Let me see if I can show you a couple of my favorites just quickly. Houndstooth jackets and lamb's wool selling very, very well from the UK. Some really nice colors. Things like this. Really, really nice. I like them a lot. Herringbone. It's always around, not so popular. Maybe it's becoming a little popular in overcoats now, possibly. I think I have a feeling for the herringbones in some overcoats. I have wider herringbones for overcoats. And let me see if there's anything else interesting here. Always, oh, this is very cool for a jacket, these wide window panes. I love these, especially the camel and the light blue. Those are really nice. And also cool plaids like this. So a lot of nice things. I'm going to go through them with you in another video of fabrics. And we're going to do an unboxing of one more thing we just came from Italy just now, the newest of the new and most exclusive loropiana. For those of you, if you know, you know. So I'll see you again in the next video. I got to run, and take it easy. Have a great day, and see you next time when I'm back at it.